Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. Today, an update on Stellar XLM, Vechain VET, and a little bit of Ripple XRP. If you're enjoying the daily crypto videos, I would really appreciate it if you guys could press the like button and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And also, comment down below what coins you'd like to talk about next. One of the most requested coins in the last episode was Vechain, so that's what we're talking about. First off though, Stellar's price. Stellar Lumen's price could recover, but 0.06 holds key. Stellar Lumen's price declined heavily, and it broke the 0.0630 support against the US dollar. Now actually, it also broke the 0.06, or also known as 6 cent support, which a lot of people did not predict would happen again to Stellar. Also, this article I think is a little bit older. It's March 2nd already because right now the prices have not been doing too nicely. But they're saying here that XLM price is currently testing the 5.5 cent support and it could recover in the short term. There is a major bearish trend line forming with resistance near 0.0595 on the 4-hour chart. And the pair must climb above 0.0595 and of course 6 cents to start the strong recovery in the near term. This is what it's looking like right now, and here's a little bit of the technical indicators. But yeah, Stellar Lumen's price not doing too nicely though. But that all aside, Stellar registers astounding recovery on the intraday chart from yesterday. Stellar price movement reflects astounding recovery spree. The intraday traders are likely to close with colossal profit, which is really contrarian to the previous article, which is why I didn't want to spend too much time on it. Stellar is spotted reviving the astounding momentum during the intraday trade as the price has skyrocketed to 6 cents. If you look at the weekly high of Stellar, then the coin is set at 0.062. There's a marginal difference between the two. We are positive that the coin would soon breach the same. The coin is popular for its hasty movement, and thus XLM coin is recommended for the short-term investor as it holds high anticipations of profit. In the previous year, Stellar was spotted moving up to a height of 0.158 or 15.5 cents, and the coin is anticipated to breach the same in the current year. Here's XLM the USD price chart, and we can see that right from here, so intraday, it looks really quite amazing, must admit. Could have picked up a really good trade right then and there, and yes, some people took some nice hefty profits today. Vechain, however, Vechain news today, headlines for March 5th. Vechain is 11 times faster than Ethereum. Vechain records 165 TPS, which are transactions per second, and Vechain price is following recent overall market pattern. So, the Vechain project has been working towards improving its customer experience since it started operations. Since that time onward, Vechain has partnered with well-known entities in different sectors including food, textile, beverages, automotive, logistics, and pharmaceutical sectors. Basically, this whole supply chain management is what they've been doing in different sectors, like almost any you could think of is what they're trying to showcase us, particularly in product counterfeiting, which is where they are biggest. Vechain Thor is designed to save firms affected by counterfeiting. According to one Twitter user known as Jake, the data of Vechain mainnet at block 5.3 million-ish. Okay, let's do it all the way. The data of Vechain mainnet at block 5,274,015, 165 and 1,652 clauses is on the course to be persist. This means that the Vechain protocol has now reached a performance high record, which makes it outshine other blockchains. With 165 transactions per second, the Vechain network can process transactions 11 times faster than Ethereum can each second. Vechain Thor offers special new feature. Per the report, there is a special feature on the Vechain Thor solution. This includes the clauses carried by the transaction. They carry the values to, data, and value. These values can be used to perform tasks like processing payments and or smart contracts. Vechain says the Vechain Thor blockchain network offers more performance and flexibility than other blockchain networks because of its clause system. The performance increase seen in TPS is because of the last protocol update installed since the hack on the Vechain network at the end of the past year. Additionally, the Vechain network is looking to implement a better proof of authority, which is what they got, 2.0 protocol. This update will ensure that the revised consensus algorithm is more secure, faster, use case specific, adaptive, and less susceptible for hard forks or to hard forks, meaning again that the chains will split. To increase transaction, latency, and security, the Proof of Authority 2.0 protocol will include a committee allocation mechanism to Vechain Thor, and this will finalize all transaction confirmation. The difference is that POA 2.0 doesn't wait for block intervals to perform. So again, this is looking really, really nice, at least to me. A lot of people are are not too happy with all of this, but I think it's all. To me, at least, it all sounds really quite nice. Let's see, the price of Vechain is following the current market action. According to one Reddit user, second layer scaling solutions should be planned for the Vechain protocol. Yeah, it should. The network confirmed that there are plans for this. However, the responsible person didn't name any time frame or give further information. After the price of Bitcoin and that of the entire digital currency market suffered a few crashes, the price of VET was affected as well. And actually, to my previous statement, you must be wondering, like, why are people not happy about all of this and what's bad? Well, proof of authority based networks strongly lack decentralization, is what a lot of people complain for. And that's actually in contrast with proof of work. But then proof of authority, blockchains can have only a limited number of validators, which are then not even necessarily democratically elected, which in the end is why a lot of people are not too happy with it. And POA does not allow to build blockchain as protected from censorship and blacklisting as other consensus mechanisms allow. And a limited number of identified validators can freely cooperate to censor particular types of transactions based on the identity of each separate user or the purpose of the transaction, which again is why people are not liking it. And there's also a risk of damaging the reputation that does not necessarily keep a person from participating in malicious actions. The size of the gains, however, that can be gathered with a reputation-destroying event can be more valuable than the reputation in community, which again is why you guys get it already. The problem also exposes the network to the third-party interferences, leaving the opportunity to cover the cost of the damage caused by the action. And I guess that's basically disadvantages of POA. Although the price of VET currently shows a rise of about 3.43% and is currently trading at 0.006 in the past 24 hours, Vechain remains number 11 among the top 20 list of the biggest digital assets by market cap. Number 11? What are they talking about here? I really don't know. It kind of looks like they wanted to state Stellar. Because, like, look, Vechain here is 0.006 at number 30. And then Stellar, where is Stellar right here? Number 14 at almost 0.06. But Stellar is roughly 11. I mean, it's 14, but still, it could be close to 11. I don't get really where they come from in terms of this. Remains number 11. No idea where they got this from then. The coin's current bullish position may be extended in the near term, as several digital assets have begun to show slight bullishness. Well, yeah, pretty cool. Vechain, 11 times faster than Ethereum, mainnet update. We just read it. Vechain has achieved a new performance record with 165 processed transactions per second on the mainnet. And according to current data, Vechain can process 11 times more transactions per second than Ethereum. Really quite cool, guys. Ethereum has about 15 TPS, or has 15 TPS, which is making Vechain astoundingly good, or at least looking astoundingly good. Yeah, definitely so. And the rest is all history. We just covered it all. And then for Ripple, Ripple has drastically raised XRP adoption in Mexico. Bitso's head of finance. RippleNet's ODL turns Latin America's Bitso into the biggest crypto trader in the region and largely increases XRP adoption in Mexico. The world's largest liquidity of fiat to XRP, XRP and ODL adoption surges, and Bitso aims to get a bigger market share. More on this possibly later, but it's pretty obvious to see from me already. Ripple is doing their freaking job amazing in Mexico right here. To quote, just a few months ago, after starting to work with Ripple, we were able to offer a fully functioning solution to our partners. Since July 2019, we've seen a major increase in adoption, as well as the volume of transfers we're facilitating. Pretty damn good, guys. And leading analyst thinks Ripple's XRP could soon gain 80%. And if you want to see more on that, make sure you watch the next video on the channel. Or I guess it's maybe the next video after that, I don't know. But make sure you subscribe to the channel for more crypto news. I'm doing crypto news every single day for the rest of this year. So make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you have the notification bell on. Don't forget that. And also, guys, make sure you press the like button to support. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys again in another crypto video. Take care, everybody, and have a very, very nice day.